Hello there. This short video is for anyone planning to make their ash for Ash Wednesday at home. Normally I would advise you to do this outside, but there's 4 inches of snow out here, so I've moved inside instead. What you'll need, I've got some scissors here. Best is to use last year's palm cross, or you can simply use some paper. I've got some oil, doesn't matter what sort of oil, traditionally olive oil of course, and I'm just using the spray for convenience. A spoon. You might need to have some matches, but to save time I'm using this low torchy thing, but matches are probably just as good. Right, so here we go. First of all you need to get your paper. Maybe just chop up some bits of paper, and you'll notice I'm using a foil lined bowl just to keep the heat down. But more traditionally use an old palm cross. It's easier if you chop the palm cross into little bits into your bowl. Now don't forget, you won't need very much. You're not doing ashes for a whole congregation, just for yourself and maybe others in your household. So with the paper or the bits of palm cross in the bowl, we simply need to set fire to it. So you can use a match, but just for convenience here I'm using this. Because the palm ash or the paper is fairly dry, it should burn pretty well. Just use the spoon a little bit just to make sure it's all burnt up, but don't worry too much. As I say, all you're trying to do is get a sort of ash effect. Okay, there we go. What you then need to do is place a little bit of oil in there, not very much at all, just a couple of squirts of this. So this is low calorie as well, only 2 calories in this whole bowl. Then just mix it around a bit. And there you have some ash. As I say, you won't need much, it's still a bit warm at the moment, but enough ash there, ready for our Ash Wednesday service to make the sign of the cross on your forehead or on the palm of your hand. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to seeing you at our Ash Wednesday services